Hello, and welcome to Quick Tips from MSC Industrial Supply, a show where we invite the manufacturing community to share their expertise with us. Few things are more frustrating than finding a favorite tool or piece of equipment covered in rust. The good news, restoring rusted metal doesn't have to mean hours of scraping, sanding, or scrubbing. Let's take a look at how CRC's Evapo-Rust heavy-duty rust remover helps make the job easier. Rust happens, but removing it doesn't have to be hard. With CRC Evapo-Rust heavy-duty rust remover, there's no scrubbing, sanding, or grinding required. Simply soak rusted parts in the solution and let Evapo-Rust do the work. It removes even heavy rust down to the bare metal, helping restore tools, hardware, and equipment. Use it on everything from automotive parts and cast iron to tools, outdoor gear, and more. Just soak, rinse, and reuse. CRC Evapo-Rust heavy-duty rust remover. For more information on CRC Evapo-Rust heavy-duty rust remover, visit www.mscdirect.com/products/evapo-rust. Whether you're restoring tools, hardware, or equipment, removing rust doesn't have to be difficult. Thanks to CRC for showing how Evapo-Rust helps make the process easy. See you next time on Quick Tips.